Well, the 3 days of darkness, a lot of people will be looking at the sun. A lot of people will be up watching out for the sun. What to watch out for are thick, dark clouds. People, have a built-in gut feeling. You have a built-in mechanism that tells you, child, don't go there. Okay? Dig into that thing. Just take the week, this whole week beginning from today. You get coconut oil. Well, if you like to make yourself super sexy, use some coconut milk too. Coconut oil or any good oil, oil. I do not want to put in unflavored or whatever. What works, what you have in your home. Don't go looking for stuff and then putting yourself in expenses that you don't need. You go and get the salt, then the coarse salts. You can also use crystal Himalayan salts. A bit of Epsom salt, like a quarter teaspoon of Epsom salt in a bath, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and a spoon or a handful. If you're extremely drained, please use a handful of coarse salt. Put them in boiling water by the bath. Find a gown or something that you can cover the bath with so only your head is out. And if you want to dip the head in, you can always have a scoop of packet of fresh water on the side and put on your hair. Your hair should only be done with bicarbonate or soda mix of water and salt, or just bicarbonate and water. This is imperative. So this might happen around June. So that's why I'm asking you all just to take this week, from this week, the whole week. Give yourself 7 days, 7 nights of cleansing. You hear me? 7 days, 7 nights. I'll be with you all the way. As you can see, that's the coconut, crystal salts, then buckets of water. Whether you live in the city or you live in a rural or you live anywhere, any bath will do. Do not go spend money. This is not a day. It's about as serious as it gets. Okay? It's about reaching deep inside yourself and giving birth to yourself. Seriously. And that will eliminate all fear. All fear. Like you just literally fetch it out, burp it out of the air. You're gonna pee a lot, you're gonna meditate. All that water that's sitting in there that should not be there must come out so you can welcome the fresh in. I am busy. We are busy and we are working hard. And it will be nice. Just someday to wake up and say, I have just heard everybody say, like, we're all giving God a day break. Just for God to have a day break. Because I got feelings too. I do. I cry for you. But no more. Time you use your own tears. Repent.